Alright, in this fourth lecture of chapter 17, we are going to study privacy and online frauds. Okay, so this will be a short lecture. We will cover only privacy and online fraud. So, what is privacy? In general, privacy means protection of personal information. It is the right to have some control over how your personal information is collected, used, and shared. Uh, in e-commerce, it is related to company policies on the use of user data. All right. So let me explain in Mizo. Privacy kan ti chuan game ani chungchang emo kan thil nei te midang hne na kan va pek phal le phal lo kha privacy chu ani deuh per mai antina phone number po pek phal bi kan ne pek phal lo bi kan ne ya chu online ani khan antina nangma username te password te chuan address te khang song song kha online kan va in register thin ta ni khang kan va in register ke mani data khan privacy rights kan lan e ni chu privacy kan soi chu ni ta ni kan va in register na company te khan atira kan in register line user data email chu midang ne na du le advertisement ti nan pe ka phale ti engkim kha anji ang kha kan accept angai thina chu kan du lo chuan vein register lo kha ani thina ni chu tiang lampang information ke mani personal information kan pek phal le phal lo lampang ka privacy ani ta ni now how to safeguard your privacy. How can you safeguard your privacy? The merchant or the seller must clearly specify how the user data will be used in the terms and conditions. So as I already told you, when you are registering for Facebook, you must read the terms and conditions and you must accept, otherwise you cannot use that Facebook. So you need to agree on the terms and conditions. If you are going for Amazon shopping, etc., you have to register yourself and you have to agree the terms and conditions so that your personal data may be used by the companies as they like, depend as how they specified in the terms and conditions. So the merchant must ensure user data safety and proper security. This is very, very important. If I'm the company owner, if I use my customer details like phone number, etc., to the telemarketing company, or if I sell my user data to other company, it's a breach of privacy. It's illegal. Okay, so I must ensure safety and proper security. One very popular news about Facebook user data are given to Cambridge Analytic for analysis in US voting pattern, etc., or something. That is a breach of, that is illegal thing, and that is a breach of privacy. And because of that, the Facebook CEO Mark Zuckerberg has been summoned by US court many times, and he need to explain about the privacy policy to the US Congress or something like that. So privacy protection is very, very important, and the user must make sure that the site is safe site, and by checking HTTP protocols and other mechanisms. So when you register for any site, you must ensure and you must know that the website is trustable, or it is a safe website. Don't simply register to the unknown or the new websites which is not so popular. Okay, you may lose your privacy. All right, that is the privacy. Mizo trong chuan soi don ila tam tak soi to ro mga chung jing ai ti lai kan soi chu eng website a po in register don la eng ang condition nge eng ang terms nge kha website in adu dan kha I share ma sa nga ipom chaw in register ang chuan khami terms and conditions pelin a company po khan thil an ti dor ani lo antenna user data te kha nangma phone number nangma details te kha company dang an thal chong tur ani lo security and maintain that tur ani hackers la ka tangin an veng him tur ani ti te chuanin website in register to re kha https in a top empty kha entry to s hi chu a him deuh bik ani http ringot a in tran it's website domain kha http ringot a in tran ho kha him lau chin he hem hi chung sang hi details ok in kan la sai don ya. All right, now let's talk about online fraud. The fraud committed using the internet is known as online fraud. That's simple. Online fraud may occur in many forms such as non-deliverable goods or non-existing company, stealing information, fraudulent payment, etc. Common examples are credit card frauds, identity thefts, etc. So online fraud is more and more popular because the hackers or the person who are committing the frauds known as fraudsters are more and more clever, so we have to be very careful about online fraud. Okay, popular online fraud include credit card fraud. Somebody may have my credit card information and using that they may do shopping or something like that. And another thing is identity theft. The Facebook account may be hacked or that account may be used by another person or something like that. So that type of crime, that type of cyber crime are known as online fraud. And how to stop online fraud? There are maybe different ways, but your textbook specify the following steps. The first step is monitoring official body that ensures sanctity of an e-commerce company and delivery goods and services as promises. Okay, um, government officials usually give permission for e-commerce business or something like that, even though it is a private company. So the official must ensure that that company is a trustable company, a pure company, they operate as per their promise or something like that. So the next one is strong security mechanism must be implemented by e-commerce sites, and payment gateways should be implemented with high security to prevent stealing of crucial information. This is very, very important. The website must ensure enough security. Without enough security, there are lots of bad people like hackers and cheaters, fraudsters, etc. in the internet. So the company who are doing the business must ensure the safety. And official guidelines and safeguards on selling of user data to third parties should be implemented. So these are the three steps or the three measures to stop frauds given by a textbook. So apart from this, there can be many things, but I'll not explain it. We'll talk about it when necessary. Okay. So next slide is the safety of a website. How can you know how safe that website is? You can ensure the safety of a website while entering the website or while visiting the website. You have to you have to type the website name by yourself. Don't simply click the link sent to you through SMS or email. That link may give you to another address. Okay, it is best and it is safe to type the address. Okay, the address bar. Do not simply click on the link, and ensure that the website address starts with HTTPS. HTTPS means Hypertext Transfer Protocol. Secure. Okay, Hypertext Transfer Protocol secure. And a padlock sign is there. A padlock sign means a key lock should be there, just like what I have shown here. HTTPS, a key is locked with SSL. SSL means secure socket layer. Okay, if it starts with only HTTP, it is not secure, and the key lock will be open like this, and it is not safe. So don't enter your bank account details, credit card entered details in this type of websites. But you can trust HTTPS website. But by saying that, I'm not saying you have to trust all the website that start with HTTPS. Let me explain in Mizo. Website siyam hi poisa nei chuan a har lawa thiam te roi sung sung the HTTPS po poisa manga le the ini a. Chu wang chu HTTPS in chan ani ringo da wanga a faya rin tur di na chu ni chuang lo. A chapera chuan online shopping iti don ani pon kha online shopping website kha mi hriat ngai I hriat to sa ani em mi bum to ten ni em ti kha en thin tur ani ka thian pa pakhat pon website hriat ngai lo atangin camera tlom to kina hmua a cha thleng thei tare reng lo tani poisa pek zo nuwa chu tiang che in tun na ka thian pa pakhat tho um, computer graphic card a to chi kha website pakhat a tlom to kina hmua chu chu a poisa pek lok ngai box se a pelok lengota a chan dai tani a thil a bung ro kha ron thlen ti ni kha om thin lo tani chu wang chuan kan film khur angai ani so a quick quiz. An important factor of privacy is consumer consent, security system, card detail, delivery address. Among these, I think the consumer consent is the most important. And the full form of HTTPS is Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure. Okay, and the full form of SSL is Secure Socket Layer. Okay, Secure Socket Layer. And obtaining files from internet which we don't have the right to use or download is known as illegal download. True or false? It's true because there are so many movies which can be downloaded illegally. There are so many games which can be downloaded illegally. If you do that, you are committing a crime. Okay, it is illegal download. That's all for this short lecture. If you have any questions, you can ask me anytime.